Hi, this is an unboxing video of an Hermes scarf. Let me open the box. Let me open the envelope. Once I open the envelope, there's another envelope inside it, and then on one side it has some information about return and exchange, whatever policy Hermes has, and some more details on the other side. And on back of this is where they have the receipt. So let me open the receipt. So once I open this, it has the receipt inside it. So let me take it out. So it says Hermes Paris. The scarf I have is La Folie Paradis Scarf 90, and then this retails for $420 US. With taxes, it came up to $454.65 USDs. Okay, so let me take this off. So this is in pink color. This is a silk scarf. Very nice to touch. Okay, so I think there's one more tax here. So it's La Folie Paradis scarf. So this is how the scarf looks when you open it up. It's a decent size. Let me do some close-up. It has some animals on it, some kind of a parade. It says, one side it says Hermes Paris. La Folie Parade. So I think that's about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for any future videos. Thank you once again for taking a look at this video. Thanks. Bye.